Hey, I'm on my way to another village here, about a 15-16 kilometer walk, and some of it's really nice in the woods like this. There's a waterfall nearby, I can hear it, and as I have all my stuff with me, let's talk about how to use this as a training tool. So when I'm walking, and I have, especially with weight on, but even without, there's an efficient way that I've found more efficient to walk with weight or wrecking, if you've done a lot of that before, and that's to have a little bit of a bounce in your step. So prior to this bounce, we have to make sure we're released into some harmony of a stretch, so the body's linked. And once we have this, then every time the weight comes down, we allow it to pass through that facial web, bounce off the ground, and come back up. And this, I find, is much easier as you're basically slinging and unslinging an elastic band, and it's just boing, 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 boing. And this allows for easier time walking, and it seems to generate energy as opposed to just take it away. So this is one thing I really enjoy doing when I'm walking and when I have weight. Now, of course, you have the weight and where it's settling on the body, and so we want to feel any points of contact, any points of stagnation where I can feel that weight biting into me or feel the body resisting the weight. Get inside those areas and open them up, find equanimity inside that to free those areas from the weight that is being slung against it. So this is something that you can explore a lot as an aspect of energy strength training. Now, of course, moving past that, we have what layers of energy we're paying attention to. Of course, we're working vitally, we're working astrally as we're in the woods. There's all of the elements at play, so we can be tapping the four elements and how they articulate and reticulate through themselves. And nature's a superb place to do this. And then as you move higher up the vibrational scale, of course, you're looking at what are you doing with your mind. You're out in the woods, so the mind's expanded. If you're connecting with the trees and the nature around you, you're working a type of omnipresence, and this has a lot of value as you progress further in meditation. There's an innate stillness within the woods. The list goes on and on and on and on. So these are all things we explore, and of course you keep going up and you can be running higher and higher frequencies through, always many things happening at the same time, and just turning up the volume on which side of things you want to experience. So anyway, hope you enjoyed this. Maybe give it a shot, go for a little bounce through the woods and allow those elastic springs to take over, and just walk through the woods, have some fun. All right, take care, bye.